Dear all, a very warm welcome to the fifth Realty Plus INEX Conclave and Excellence Awards 2021. I'm Sapna Srivastava, editor Realty Plus magazine, and let's begin the proceedings of the day with the auspicious Ganesh Mantra.
वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Friends, on that very optimistic note, let me also thank those who have helped us put this show together. Let me thank our partners. The event is co-powered by InMobile Doors, virtual event partner Aman Vertex, creative partner Another Idea, business media partner BW Business World, online media partner Exchange for Media Group, and of course, organized by Team Realty Plus. So friends, before we move on to the interesting panel discussions and some very interesting conversations from some very well-known and eminent and respected leaders of this industry, let me give a brief introduction of what Realty Plus is all about, especially for those who are joining us for the very first time. So friends, let me share this beautiful presentation that our team has put up for you all. Friends, Realty Plus is a magazine, is part of Exchange for Media and Business World Group, and the monthly publication is the real estate vertical of this group and was created to cater to the needs of the real estate business. For the past 16 years, Realty Plus has been at the forefront of news and stories influencing the world of real estate. It was also recognized as the best real estate magazine by Naredco, and now it is available in both and digital and print edition. Apart from this monthly magazine, the Realty Plus series of collector's edition coffee table books, or premium editions, launched once in a year, spotlighting prominent personalities, products, and brands of the real estate industry. Our most recent production is the Realty Plus Super CXOs India's Top 100 Realty Influencers Coffee Table book, which features Indian Realty's dynamic Super CXOs who are transforming the sector through their leadership and vision. And in fact, we look forward to featuring many of the real estate leaders who are joining us today in this very recent initiative by Realty Plus. Apart from the productions, the publications that we have, in today's challenging times, Realty Plus has continued to innovate our products such as the Realty Plus Conclave and Excellence Awards, which we used to hold in physical form across 7 cities of the country, is now being presented as a virtual series. The series features eminent speakers, engaging discussions, and lively virtual award ceremonies felicitating the top performers in Indian real estate. The virtual series are designed to inspire and engage a larger, more inclusive audience from across sectors, industries, businesses, and regions. Realty Plus also produces various online products and events under its recently introduced Realty Plus Digital Connect initiative. Under the umbrella of Realty Plus Digital Connect, we have Realty Plus Masterclass webinars featuring subject matter experts and industry leaders in an insightful and informative conversation on current and relevant topics. The Realty Plus Real Talk video interviews with influential leaders from varied segments of real estate have them sharing their honest views and opinions and real facts and figures for the benefit of all the stakeholders of the industry. And not to be missed, our e-newsletter, the Realty Plus daily newsletter, which goes out to the entire database with the latest news, views, and opinions from across the realty sector of India and the world. We are also very strong on the social media platforms, and that is how we stay connected with our readers, peers, partners, and promote our products. So these were some of the initiatives, the brief of some of the initiatives that we have been engaged in and we are bringing out. In case you would like to know more about what Realty Plus is doing and can help us with your business initiatives, do get in touch with Ms. Tripti Kedia, business head and publisher for Realty Plus. So friends, this was what Realty Plus is all about, and we are now looking forward to a very engaging day of conversations. And I will introduce, the speakers, the eminent speakers, in a very short while. But before that, let's have a very enthusiastic start. As we all know, Dr. Anurag Batra, Chairman and Editor-in-Chief of Exchange for Media and Business World Group, who is the Media Mughal, he has shared his message from Delhi for us and our audience.
Plus interior design, building material conference and awards. INEXT, as we call it, was conceptualized by Ms. Tripti Kedia and Ms. Sapna Srivastava, and it's in its fifth year. Like a child, it has grown. Now, the construction activity, the building activity, the real estate development activity is coming back to its full bloom. So this sector of, infrastructure, if I may call, of building materials, of architecture, of design, is likely to go back to its full glory as it was pre-COVID. This sector directly benefits from the upswing in economy. As the residential sales grow, I think the next decade, this decade, will be the decade of building residential homes. More and more buyers are buying residential homes. Also, the office spaces are no longer just office spaces. They're about experience, because you can work out of anywhere. You know, the work from anywhere revolution will make sure when you build a new office, it has to be built where people have an experience. So clearly, this industry, both in terms of design, materials, will have to play a role. At all Realty Plus initiatives, whatever we do it through a jury. So the awards tonight are through a jury that understands this domain, is respected by all stakeholders. Today, throughout the day, you will have leaders from the sector of building materials, architecture.
Well, that was indeed a very, positive sentiment that Dr. Batra has mentioned, that yes, we are coming back to where we were pre-COVID residential. Especially, people are calling this year for, the residential real estate. This is the year for residential real estate. And yes, we are changing our built forms in various ways, our workspaces, our living spaces. And that is what we are going to talk about in this very forum.